good day. I am Gripson A. Mendoza, and this is our Project 1.2, which is creating a paper prototype. We divide our prototype into to enhance user engagement so you can interact to our website with your smartphone, browser, or in your desktop browser. These two have different interface to adapt in their respective browser. Now, we will focus on smartphone website prototype. In the startup website page, the website will ask you to enter if you have already account or you need to sign up. If you click the sign up button, you will be redirected to sign up form that will ask you to enter some credential and some optional profile pic for your account. This is the content of that. After you enter your all credential, if you click register, you will be redirected to the home page. This is the home page of the website. This is where you see some haircut with its description and some recommendation for your haircut. And after that, if you click the gallery, you will be redirected to the selection of the haircut with its respected description. After the gallery, if you click the schedule, you will be redirected to the schedule homepage. This is the scheduled homepage where you can book your haircut and you can input your name and your preferred barber. After that, if you click the book now, you will be redirected to your profile. This is the profile homepage where you can see your credential and your scheduled haircut. After that, if you click the About button, you will be redirected to the About homepage. In the About homepage, you can see the owner of the barbershop and the people who created the website below. Below that is the contacts of the barber and the owner and its emails. Because the desktop website prototype and the smartphone prototype have similar function, the only difference of the two is the interface to adapt their respected browser. This is the only montage on how to use the desktop website one, but it's really have similar function on the smartphone website prototype. Enjoy the montage.